Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can we do the proper setting of the cursor. As you can see, I'm moving the cursor right now, but if you're not happy with this kind of looking preview, that you can do right click on the screen and come to the options. Right now, either I just told you in the earlier videos, you can change the display colors, plot and publish, user preferences, and you have to click on the drafting for now, right? So sometime you need to snap a certain point, a certain position. So for that, what you can do, you have to click on the drafting, and you can change the snap color for now. Right now it's by default like this one. You can change it by the way whatever you want, and then you can just increase decrease the marker size of the snap. From here you can just change the aperture size, as you can see over here. Always I keep it at maximum. Then you have to click on the 3D modeling, and you can navigate for the crosshair, right? And here you can just go to selection mode and pick box, keep it at maximum value. You can just change the grip size from here, and by changing the color you can just adjust the colors from here, right? And I think there is nothing and selection mode, and you can just go for the aperture size, system, publish, display, and you can just increase the crosshair size from here as well, right? If for example we're gonna apply and okay, now you can see how big is the crosshair size. Again, I'll go to the options and we just decrease, and I think 15 would be better for me, and I'll apply and I'll hit okay. See, so if you want to decrease it more, you can keep it at 7 and hit OK. So this is how you can just navigate for different things inside options, and the way you want you can just adjust them by your own, right? So this is not really difficult for you to do all these things, but this what actually I want to just deliver the basic idea. How can you just look for the things, and this you can just adjust them by your own way. Thanks for watching.